Hello everybody, in this video we are going to create the gearbox and that will be the last interior I think for our main body, for main truck. So we will just add the seats here because we need gearbox in the middle. So let's press shift here and we'll just create a cube here. We'll just name this cube as a gear box, and then we will just press tab to edit mode, and we will just press S to scale it like this. We'll just press SZ, and then we will just move it here, and then we'll just select this section. We'll move this section here, okay, and yeah, this good. So now we'll start creating our gearbox, and we'll just add a loop here on the last corner as well, so for better result. So now we will select this loop. We'll just press E and Y and EY again, EY again, EY again, EY again, and yes, and then we will again move EY, 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 and till here I think we have enough section. So now we will create some loops in the middle, 3, 4, 5, and for this section we need a extrusion, outside extrusion, but before that I will just add subdivision surface just for testing purpose as well, and we will need a loop here. Okay, now we will just select the side view, and now I think we should hide the sheets, and here we will just select these, this section, and we'll start moving this little bit. Okay, so that's good, and now we will just move back, and now you can see this type of shape. We will just select the one loop here. We will create Control R, and one loop here we will create Control R, and now we will just select the sections from here to here and here to here maybe. Okay, and we will just extrude it to the axis. Okay, so that's very nice. Now for the middle section, we will just go to the middle section. You can just get some reference image. Okay, one reference image was in my mind, that's why I'm creating this with without any problem. Okay, so here we will create a loop, and here we will create a loop, and then we will just go to select these two sections and these two sections and these two sections, delete vertices, and we have a loop here. We can select the loop, we can press EZ, ES, and EZ again, EZ again, okay, ES again, and we have this type of shape. And now we will again press ES, 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 and we can press F to fill out the faces. Okay. Now we need a gearbox here at this point, and for that purpose we can just select this section, delete this node, and now I think this one as well. And now we can select this thing, we can just press EZ, EZ again, EZ, and then we can press ES, ES, EZ again, and we will just press EZ, EZ, and then we can press S, EZ again, EZ, and then we'll just move it EC and ES, ES, sorry, and F to fill out the faces. Okay, now you can see we have this type of section, but although we have some problem here for some reason. No, we don't have, yeah, we have problem here, we have a cut here. For some reason we have not selected the whole entire loop. For this is the big problem, so we will just go back, and here you can see we have this problem, so we can just select this loop and this loop. Okay, and we will press F to fill out the sections, and you can see this type of problem here. So we will move back again to repeat these things again. Okay, sorry for this. So now we will move back, we will just select everything, and you can see this loop is not selected, so we'll select this loop, easy, easy again, okay. So ES again, ES again, little bit, easy again, see, easy, S, sorry, S again, easy, and S again, easy, and we are making this type of shape. Okay, ES and F, and now you can see that we have this type of nice shape. Okay, so now we will just add a button here. So for that purpose we can just, sorry, we can just go to shaded view. We can just select this one, and before that we will just create a section here and section here as well. And now we'll just select this, delete it, and we'll select this thing. We will just make it circular. We will just move it a little bit with scale. We will just press EX, EX, EX again, S again, ES again, sorry, and like little bit outside, and F again, and now we have a very nice shape here. Okay, so that's good. We have our gearbox. Definitely we can add some buttons here as well if we want, but I will not do that. I will just make it simple. Okay, definitely we can press here, shade it smooth, right click, shade smooth, and the last thing we will add here is the texture. So we'll go to material, we will add a material, we will just write here gearbox, and for the gearbox material we will just add the interior material. So we can just go to textures, we'll just drag drop this interior texture here, we'll just drag drop this texture here, and we can add it here. And now you can see that we have a nice texture on the gearbox as well. So if we enable the seats, you will see that this gearbox will be inside the seats, okay, in the middle of the seats, which is good. That's it for this video. In next video we will move further. Allah Hafiz.